Good evening. Welcome back. This is Wednesday, 13 December 2023. And like we said earlier yesterday, we expect to see higher prices on the euro dollar contract. So we indeed rally higher, and this is the daily contract. So we did rally higher from this price, and we did rally higher into this point. So I have a brief statement here, and I would like to read for you all. So the Euro US dollar contract for Wednesday, 13 December 2023, rally higher as anticipated from previous day pro- projections. I'm very pleased to see euro price higher and take out buy side liquidity. We price above the ICT Reaper, that is this price above this ICT Reaper, and price rally higher into Monday 4 December 2023 down close candle high, which has created a relatively equal highs. So what I'm trying to say is that we rally higher and we price above this. This is Monday 4 December 2023, which is a down close candle, and we price rally a bit above, just one tick above. No, I would say 1 point or 3 points above this high. So leaving us with a relative equal low, equal highs. So that's why I indicated as buy side liquidity for that to be the case. So I will want to see euro price lower and fill in some of the efficiencies from in today price in today price rally. But I will favor the idea of euro leaving a break-away gap, that is, form a fair value gap. So I want to see euro price lower into this inefficiency, because if you look, this is Tuesday, December 2023, 12 December 2023 high. So I want to see euro price lower, but I don't buy the idea of euro pricing lower and touching this high. But it's going to I will buy the idea of euro pricing lower and leaving a gap, and continue to rally higher because of how impulsively we close today. Because if you look overall on the daily, this is actually an accumulation phase and a distribution, and you can see this candle, as you can call this as the manipulation, and now we are distributing higher. All these things that you see here also happen in a smaller time frame. So that is why they say that smaller time frame can give you a clue of how higher time frame played out, just the difference of time. Now, if euro find its way lower and price into the ICT Reaper and daily bullish order block of Friday, December 2023 down close candle high to hold price. So I will, if euro eventually find its way lower into this ICT Reaper, then even if we go below this ICT Reaper, I won't have problem with that until we go below, or we come into the mid threshold of this order block. That is when I can now see that the market has reversed. So we have a daily bullish order block here and ICT Reaper, which is the PDRs that will support our price, that will support our price to keep rallying higher. So as long as euro stays above this reference point, I'm still bullish on euro. This is the 4 hour contract for euro US dollar. So as you can see on the 4 hours, we have this nice delivery of price for today. So let's go in fast. Now the euro US dollar 4 hour contract shows how effectively the price efficiency of within today trading ranges. Then on the 4 hour, we can see how price trade down into the 4 hour bullish order block, in early hours of trading and how that has hold price from going lower. So this is where I'm referring to. Now you see we made mention of this bullish order block yesterday, and you can see in the early hours around this candle is formed at 5 a.m. 13 5 a.m. So price traded inside that um, bullish order block, and that hold price from going lower. And indeed, on the smaller time frame, we take out all these SI liquidities. Then now we can also see how the consequent encroachment of the 4 hourly up close candle of 4 or 5 a.m. was effectively used, and price respect that point at 1.07803 before the major price rally of today. Now, what I'm just really mean is that we can see how the consequent encroachment of this candle this week, this long week below. I noted it with this one. So let me delete this other block. So now you can see clearly what I'm referring to. I mean, this week you can see how with the consequent encroachment of that week hold price, and this is what we mean by algorithmically what price delivery. So if euro find its way lower, we have the 4 hour ICT inversion fair value gap that is formed on Monday 4 December 2023 to hold price. Now you can see this inversion fair value gap is formed on 4th December 2023. So if price find its way lower, so we want this uh this inversion fair value gap to hold price. So as long as the price still above here, so on 4 hourly we still very bullish. Then we keep if euro USD find its way higher, then we have our eyes on this zone at that point. So it's a very important point for me. So let me just put something like this. So I have my eyes this on this point. It is very important. So when we get here, should be expecting a short time price price to trade lower on the short time. Also, you can see we also have buy side liquidity above this equal flow. So if we pass above here, where can we look out next? We can have this. Then after this, we now think about this point. Darling, that they would risk Okay, this is the 1 hour euro US dollar contract. That's the 60 minute. So we can see how price have traded within today's range. Market opened from here and we've been trading into this. We rally lower swiftly and then come back to almost the optimum trade entry. You can see this rally as an optimum trade entry. This low and this high, if you measure it, this is an optimum trade entry, and price rally lower impulsively. This is caused by today's what news headline. So we can see that the euro US dollar 60 minute contract illustrates the whole price delivery of Wednesday trading ranges. So the daily profile is an obvious 5 a.m. New York local time as the low of the day, which priced into the ICT 4 hour plus bullish order block and rally higher. This is what I'm trying to say. This is a 5 a.m. Candle, and we price into this bullish order block. We will traded in the 4 hour and price rally higher, giving you an opportunity to enter. So now the high of the day is formed on 2 o'clock p.m. New York local time, and rally higher impulsively, which is caused by news event, but it is clean to identify and trade. So this is what I mean by it is clean and identified to trade. We rally into that and price rally just within 1 hour. Everything has being like this. So with this, I have come to the end of today's episode, and to remind you, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for price to get low here or whatever. Once price gets here, we'll be looking for higher prices. But we'll look at these two areas as our short time, then we'll look at these areas our high time. So thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you find it exciting. You can follow up for more. This is how I'll be doing it every day for the weeks. So today is Wednesday, expect tomorrow's own. And God bless. Thanks for taking your time to go through my so support me in any way you can, and I'll really be glad. So good night and have a nice day and happy trading.